Deep in pandemic. One day, garage opener light decided to stop working. Daytime is okay. When we drive home in the evening, this is how it looks like. It should be okay. Let's just change a light bulb. However, with a brand new light bulb, the light is still off. What? Could the controller broken? Unlikely, everything is functioning, just the lights off. Should I get a garage opener specialist? Wake up! The chance to get one on time during pandemic is nearly 0%. Let's try some skills. What is typical hard to get started up? Small resistance. Can I reduce the resistance? Yes. We are all using LED light bulbs now, but when the garage door opener was developed, it was still in the world of incandescent light bulbs. LED light bulbs have much less resistance than incandescent light bulbs. I would like to save energy but still make the garage door opener light on. What can I do? Maybe trying very small power LED light. Okay, I have 2 of the 1-watt LED light bulbs. Let's try them. Lights on. Not so bright, since the power level is low. But it is so much better than my cell phone flashlight. I am happy with this solution now. Tools you need. A sturdy 3-step ladder to reach the garage door opener light bulb. For example, HBTower 3-step ladder. You may want to order some incandescent soft white bulbs if you prefer a brighter garage. For example, GE Incandescent Globe Soft White Bulbs. Any questions? Contact me at www.loose-ee.com, info@loose-ee.com. Click subscribe to stay connected.